Hey guys, it's Toby. Here's a video tour of the Stewert that you wanted to see from David Weekley. Here we go. This one you walk in, you've got the office space here. That's just to the left of the front door. And then on the right, you've got a half bath. Then you come right into, you got a coat closet, kitchen. Pantry over here, which is great. And I can get you a list of all the upgrades that this one has and what they come with standard. Dining area, walkout. This one is the model with the construction office, but that would be your garage. Main living area. Here's a view of that whole room. That whole big great room as you come in from the garage or from the patio here. Okay, let me take you upstairs. This one's got the really nice LVP flooring. Carpeted upstairs with a loft. Couple game and linen closets. Nice big closet. Built-in shelving. There's your HVAC, heating and air conditioning system. Start with the master or primary bedroom here. Up tall privacy windows. Nice big area. Pull it back on the room here. There you go. You can see how big this room is. Sitting area. Ensuite bathroom. Nice big shower. Holy cow, that's huge. Double vanities. Walk-in closet. Toilet room. And another linen closet. It's nice to have the built-in shelving rather than the wire shelves that a lot of builders do. So that's a really nice upgrade feature. I'll have to double check what comes standard, but I believe they do the wooden shelves in the closet standard. Nice place. And then this is a, I'll show you the balcony in a second here. Another room or an office. Full bath upstairs. Another room. These are probably, we'll get specs. I would say this room's about 14 by 14, something like that. This is a, I believe that's a double bed in here, so you can kind of get the idea of the room size. This one's got the walkout patio at the end, as well as your laundry room up here at the end of the hall. So it's not something that people would really walk by. Covered patio. All right, guys. I hope that helps. I can come back out here if you need more. Happy to show you whatever you'd like to see. And excited to see what next step you'd like to take. All right. Talk to you soon.